So it's very simple. It's 2 suicide triplets, yeah? So very simple, and then add 2 kicks. So yeah. Then we go into that flam paradiddle, flamaddiddle. So we worked on that today. We're working on the flamaddiddle. So the last part is, I'm sorry. So after the flamaddiddle, you're gonna put 2 kicks. So right left, and that right left sets you up to go back into the 1 on the crash or on the hi-hat, whatever you choose. Whatever you choose. So let's play it again in context. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, and alright, so when you speed it up, the chop down pack, what you do is you start voicing it around the kit, man. Very simple lick, tasty, something you can use on the gig, in church, whatever the case may be. Alright?